Get the best of both worlds with furnace financing in Nampa, Idaho. You don't have to worry or wonder about which furnace to buy for your Nampa home when you have financing options from Peppy Heating and Cooling. Today's modern gas furnaces have improved dramatically and offer superb features and benefits that are sure to add value to your Nampa home. A modern, high-efficiency furnace from American Standard can improve your home comfort, provide peace of mind, and deliver increased savings on your monthly utility bill. What are the benefits of financing your new furnace? For starters, you can choose the furnace that is best for your home instead of settling for the one you can afford. Instead of paying a chunk of money up front, you can extend your payment out for low interest or even no interest financing. Some people like financing because they prefer a regular scheduled payment that doesn't disrupt their budget. Some like financing options so they can buy a higher quality furnace that meets their needs. Many Nampa homeowners like the fact that they can avoid using high-interest credit cards or having to dig into savings. In short, financing is a great way to get amazing comfort for your home while enjoying a low monthly payment. The best news yet? The friendly staff at Peppy Heating and Cooling's new Nampa location make it quick and easy. Your project manager will let you know in just a few minutes at your in-home consultation. It's possible that you may not even need to put any money down. Your home comfort is about to get better with a high-efficiency furnace and financing options. Get hoppin' good service and friendly advice from the experts at Peppy Heating and Cooling. Call 208-586-3525 today.